Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise on CapCut. Now, first thing you need to do is to click on the video you want to edit. And once you're there, you might click on the video. And you can see in the bar below, you may swipe it to the right and click on the reduce noise button. And toggle on the reduce noise and the noise reduction will be on progress. And you can notice that your video has removed its background noise. And that's it. That's how you do removing background noise using the CapCut app. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.